Chicken noodle soup with kimchi and cheese. Try it. Okay, so the time right now is 1:46 and I'm hungry. I'm not paid to do this, pero dahil masarap siya, I'm gonna share it to you because it's so good. All you need is Lucky Me chicken, 2 slices of cheese, bacons, we need some lettuce. And if you want something spicy, sarap, kimchi. And dahil I like spicy and sweet, we're gonna add sugar. I'm gonna show you kung paano ko siya niluluto. Try nyo, super sarap. So I'm gonna use this kasi mabilis magluto dito. By the way, magpapainit na ako ng water para mamaya mabilis na lang maluto. Now you need to cut your bacon. Hindi na ako mag-add ng oil kasi you're gonna get some oil sa bacon. There you go. Tapos, buksan mo lang yung apoy, hayaan mo, takpan mo kasi tatalsikin sa mukha mo. So the next step is i-add na natin yung noodles, tapos water, pero dapat patayin mo muna yung apoy bago mo gawin yan. After nun, buksan mo na ulit yung apoy, then you're gonna add the kimchi, lettuce, and yung 2 slices of cheese. Oops. So papakuluin lang natin yan, then we're gonna add some sugar.